Hey guys, welcome back to Just a Geek in the Garage. Today I want to go over this Duratech 7-in-1 flex head ratcheting wrench. It's a double box head basically, but this thing I've had sitting in my Amazon cart for quite a while. I've been waiting for it to drop in price a little bit. It's about $18 is the normal price. Sometimes it goes up to about $20. And I've been waiting for it to drop just a little bit, but it just seems to stubbornly stay right around $18. So finally I decided to pick this thing up. And I bought this for kind of a very specific purpose. Now, this is definitely not going to be, an everyday, like daily driver, but it's actually for one of my main go bags. So let me kind of show you what it is and what it comes with and why I decided to kind of do that. So, if you're anything like me, you really like these flex head box and ratcheting wrenches. They're very, very useful. So, I prefer to use this than a ratchet sometimes if I can get away with it. These things are reversible just kind of by flipping it over. One side is going to tighten the bolt, flip it over, the other side is going to loosen the bolt. And some people like that. Some people prefer the little switch on here. I actually usually don't like the switch just because it gets in the way, although I know that there's definitely a use case for it. But the thing that kind of intrigued me about this guy was, well, first of all, Duratech, if you guys don't know, it's a pretty interesting company. I have quite a few of their wrenches. It's owned by a parent company called Great Star, and it's a Chinese company, but they also own other names that you guys are probably familiar with, like WorkPro. SK is probably one of the most popular ones that they own. ShopVac, Arrow, things like that. So they own quite a few. No different than how like Stanley Black & Decker owns Craftsman. I actually have a video where I went over all the different companies that they own. Maybe I'll put a link at that towards the end of the video. But anyway, so this one right here, just kind of in its normal form, gives you 19 millimeters and 14 millimeters to use. So it's a kind of an interesting combination because normally if there's 19 on one side, it's usually something larger, like maybe like a 17 or an 18 on the other. But they do this for a very specific reasons because they give you these inserts. So this is definitely, it's not a no-skip set. So you're going to get 8 millimeters, 10 millimeters, 12 millimeters, 13, 14, 15, and 17. So you're going to skip the 9, the 11, and the 16. 16, I don't remember ever using a 16 millimeter. 9 and 11 I use on occasion, but for my purposes and what I want this for, this, the 8, 10, and 17 are probably going to be my most common ones that I use, and sometimes the 13. But basically the way that this thing works, which is pretty cool, is it just comes with these little inserts right here. Shows you, what they are, and just clips in right there. Now, one thing that's kind of interesting about them is that the box end itself is 12 point, but the inserts are only 6 point. So, that's something to kind of keep in mind. But again, for my purposes, I think this works really well. So now I have 10 millimeters on this side. So for me, what I would probably do is, because I don't use 19 millimeter a lot, is I would probably do something like this. And now we have a 10 and a 17 that I have kind of set up that I can use, whenever I need it. And this is going to take up way less space in my go bag than something else. Again, this is not going to be something where it is a daily driver. I still got, actually, another set of Duratech that I would use for that are more dedicated, especially because they're 12 points. But I thought this thing would be an interesting addition. Just to kind of show you the difference, in the go bag, what this is going to basically be replacing, oops, sorry about that, is this set right here. So this is a set from Pittsburgh. Got this thing on sale a little while ago, but this basically, it's a 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Doesn't have the 17 in here, which again I use quite a bit. But I thought this thing was great to have just kind of in a go bag, just in case I needed that flex head option. But I also have in the same go bag these Pittsburghs right here that are just the zero offset, that have the open end as well. So this right here, the open end for me is basically almost like a duplicate. I don't really need it, in my go bag. So that's what I decided. I'm like, what? I would much rather have a flex head that gives me, all these options. Now, a couple of downsides to keep in mind. I mean, obviously, if I'm using a 10 millimeter like this, if I had, this 10 millimeter instead, it's going to be, much smaller. It might be able to get into places a little bit better. But again, this is going to be more of a kind of a grab and go situation where I don't need a full comprehensive set, but it's nice to have that flex head option as well. One thing that kind of bummed me out, I wasn't able to find this thing in SAE. Granted, I don't use SAE that much, but it would be nice to have the set, because if I could, keep these, I'll probably take it out of the container and find some solution. But literally, instead of having all these different wrenches, I can now have just one that's going to take the place of, I think, pretty much every single one of these. Let me take a look. So we got, because I don't think this one has the 16, 13, or 11. So 10, 12, 13, 15. Yeah, so exactly. So this is actually going to be a more comprehensive set, because it's going to be a total of 7, where I only have 5 right over here. So it's going to be, a relatively quick video today. Just kind of wanted to show these right here. This is more of an unboxing and kind of initial review and impressions. But if one thing, I have had some Duratech products for quite a while now, and I've really, really enjoyed them. So if this lives up to their standard, and I assume that this thing is built to the normal standard of their regular ratcheting wrenches, which haven't failed me yet, then I think I'm going to be very, very happy with this thing for a long time. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So tell me, guys, what do you think? Do you think this is gimmicky, or is this something that you would put in your tool bag to take with you? Because again, having that just a little bit of extra flex, I think, is going to definitely make my job a little bit easier. And there's already a few jobs that I can think of that I'm always struggling with one of these guys, where I think something like this would make my life a little bit easier. And then one thing I don't think I mentioned yet is that this thing is 72 tooth, so sounds very nice. It's not quite the 90 that some of the other ones are, but honestly, for me, the 72, anything between 72 and 90 is usually sufficient for what I need. And then if you guys are interested in looking at the packaging, that is what it looks like. So again, Duratech 7-in-1 shows you the different sizes. It tells you the 72 tooth right there. And then this thing, for those of you that are going to ask, let me take a look if I have the box. This thing is going to be made in China, which is where a lot of the Duratech products are made. Again, I haven't personally had an issue with them, but please, in the comments down below, again, let me know, is this something that you would buy, or do you think this is gimmicky? And if you guys have had a Duratech product fail on you, let me know what it was, and if you tried to warranty or not, and what the warranty process was. But from what I can feel and see, this thing seems to be exactly what I wanted for the purpose that I was looking for. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to leave a link probably right over here in this corner that basically goes over Great Star, and it will give you kind of the background on what they own. Like I said, Duratech, Work Pro, SK, Shop Vac, Aero, and I believe that there are a few other ones in there as well. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.